'Cause I'm gonna stand by you, even if I break it down. We can find a way to break through. Come on. Even if we can't find heaven, you're not alone. 'Cause I'm gonna stand by you.
Hi, I'm Tyler Johnson, and it's my privilege to introduce tonight's community hero. Second chances are sometimes the most rewarding part of a life's journey. Just ask Frank Murphy. Incarcerated at 15 and headed down a troubled path, many in his community had written him off. But young Frank looked inward, corrected his course, and worked hard to beat the odds and achieve his dream of reaching the NFL. Today, with his football career behind him, Frank focuses his time on working with local youth and adults across our community, empowering and inspiring them to choose the right path, break the cycle of crime or poverty, and pursue their dreams. To date, he's volunteered over 10,000 hours to help guide them to a brighter future. His journey started with the man in the mirror, and that's why you, Frank, are a hero. Before the game, it was our privilege to present a $50,000 grant to his designated charity. Please welcome tonight's community hero, Frank Murphy.